Hello, good morning dear students. Welcome to today's class. And we were discussing motion in a straight line in the last class. Okay, so I think you are good with the motion in a straight line. And let's continue the concept in yesterday's concept, in the last class concept. In the last class we have seen when the body is moving with a body is traveling with distance s1 with speed v1, s2 with speed v2, then average speed can be calculated by using the formula, that is v average is equal to s1 plus s2 divided by s1 by v1 plus s2 by v2. Okay, suppose in any case s1 is equal to s2, then what formula we have to use? V average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v1. So these were the two formulas I have given, and one more formula. If the body is traveling a distance s1, s2, s3 with speed v1, v2, v3, then what is the formula for the average speed? And s1 is equal to, s2 is equal to, s3 is equal to s. Then what is the formula? Average speed is equal to 3v1 v2 v3 divided by v1 v2 plus v2 v3 plus v3 v1. Idu nam formula kottide ninne last class nega. I think you know this, I think you remember this. Okay, now let's take one problem. Let's solve one problem, then you'll understand it correctly. You'll get it properly. A car covers 1/3 part of problem. A car covers 1/3 part of the total distance with a speed of 20 km per hour. Of the total distance with a speed of 20 km per hour. A car covers a total distance 1/3 part of the total distance with a speed of 20 km per hour, and the remaining distance with a speed of 44 km per hour, and the remaining distance with a speed of 44 km per hour, remaining distance with a speed of 44 km per hour. Find the average speed of the car. Find the average speed of the car. Average speed of the car. Right? Solution. So let's solve this question. Okay, a car covers 1/3 part of the total distance with a speed of 20 km per hour. Suppose I am taking a car starts from point A and ends its journey to point A. A to B ge car ಹೊಂಟೈತಿ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ 1/3 part of the total distance. Okay, 1/3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರದು 3 division ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರಾಗಿಂದು 1 part. If I divide it into the total distance in 3 equal, if I divide the total distance into 3 equal parts, ಅದ್ರಾಗಿಂದು 1 part ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so this is 1/3. This is 1/3 part. Okay, so this is this much of distance. So 1/3 of the distance with a speed of ಏನು speed ಐತಿ 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour. So 1/3 part of the total distance ನಾಗ 1/3 ಅಂದರೆ this much of part is covering with a speed of 20 km/h and the remaining distance. Remaining andre illinda illi mata. From here to here. So here to here. Illinda illige. Idu again this is also 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Eshtayitu 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 of the distance the car is covering with a speed of how much? 44 km/h. Gottaitu? I think you understood this. So suppose I am taking this for example. A car covers 1 by 3 part of the total distance with a speed of 20 km/h. Okay. Suppose the car is traveling from A to B. A ಲಿಂದ B ಗೆ ಹೊಂಟೈತಿ ಕಾರ್. ಅದ್ರಾಗಿಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್? 1 by 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ 20 km/h. ಸಪೋಸ್ A to B ಗೆ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಾಗ 1 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 by 3. 3ನಾಗ 1 ಪಾರ್ಟ್. It is traveling with a speed of 20 km/h. Now the remaining distance with a speed of 44 km/h. Remaining ಎಷ್ಟಾತ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಉಳಿತು. Okay, we know this is 1 by 3 again this is 1 by 3. Okay, this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3. So finally 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay, so you got this. So 2 by 3 distance with a speed of 44 km/h. Now what I will do? I will take this total distance is I am taking as S. Total distance A to B total I am taking as S. Means consider total distance is distance is equal to S. Andre just I am considering total distance illinda illi mata S distance aite. Now so first half of the first part illinda illige eshtayitu? Definitely it is S by 3. So from here to here it is S by 3 distance. Okay, with a speed of ಏನು ಐತಿ? 20 km/h. Okay, got this. Again the remaining part 2 by 3 is remaining. So total distance is S. So adragin 2 by 3 andre 2S by 3 remaining. 2S by 3 with a speed of S3 44 km/h. Now so S1 is equal to, I am taking it S1, S2. Okay, S1 is equal to S by 3, S2 is equal to 2S by 3. Okay, now calculate. We have the formula. What formula we are having? If S1, a body traveling S1 with speed V1, S2 with speed V2, then what is the formula? Average speed can be calculated using this formula. S1 plus S2 divided by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. So this is our formula. Just substitute it and calculate. So S1 is equal to, if S1 is equal to S2, then there is different formula. Okay, so S1 and S2 both are not equal. Illinda illige distance barabar illa. Idu jasti aiti, idu kadmi aiti. So therefore we have to use this formula only. So S1 is equal to S by 3 plus S2 is equal to 2S by 3 divided by, okay, S1 by V1, S by 3 by 20 plus 2S by 3 by 44, right? Just calculate it. I am taking S by 3 outside here. S by 3 outside ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ರೀ? 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ also I am taking S by 3 outside. S by 3 outside ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1 by 20 plus 2 by 44. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Okay. Now see, this S by 3, this S by 3 cancel, numerator and denominator. So finally what we have remaining? 3 divided by 1 by 20 plus 2 by 44. Just cancel it. 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. So finally it is how much? 1 by 22. Okay. Now if you do the cross multiplication, 3 divided by 22, 22 into 1 plus 20 into 1, that is 20 divided by 20 into 22, 20 into 22. Okay, ಮುಂದಿಂದೆಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so average speed is equal to 3 other 20 into 22, the numerator ಐತಿ, so the denominator ನಾಗ ಐತಿ, so it will come in the numerator. 3 into 20 into 22 divided by how much? 22 plus 20. Direct derivative 22 plus 20 as tell you 20 plus 20 is 40, 40 plus 2 is 42. So it is nothing but 42. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, again 2 ones are 2, 0. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, correct? Now 10 into 22 is nothing but 220 divided by 7. Okay, so average speed is equal to 220 divided by 7. If you calculate it, it will be near, I think 3 point something. So I'll see, I'll check. It will be around 31.43. So if you have calculate, just calculator, just calculate it. 31.43 unit kilometer per hour. So this is the way to solve this problem. Okay, it's one of the easy problem. No, I think there is no difficulty, but for you I don't know. So if you understand this, then it's very well and good. If you don't understand it, then you can contact me, you can call me, don't worry. So a car covers a 1 by 3 part of the total distance with a speed of 20 km per hour and the remaining distance with a speed of 44 km per hour. Then find the average speed of the car. So this is the question. Average speed calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So I will explain it very fast. Just see. So I am taking the total distance as S. Total distance A to B ಹೊಂಟೈತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಕಾರ. So ಅದ S ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಾಗಿಂದ 1 by 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಾಗಿಂದು 1 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ 20 km per hour. The remaining distance, that is 2 by 3 distance with a speed of 44 km per hour. So if I am taking S as a total distance, so S1 is equal to S by 3 with a speed of 20 km per hour. S2 is equal to 2S by 3 with a speed of 44 km per hour. Okay, so S1 and S1 is not equal to S2, S1 and S2 equal illa, so therefore we have one formula to calculate the average speed, that is average speed is equal to S1 plus S2 by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. So therefore just substitute S1 is S by 3 plus S2 is S2S by 3 divided by S by 3 by 20 plus S2S by 3 by 44. Again if you take S by 3 common, so it will be 1 plus 2 and S by 3 here common, then 1 by 20 plus 2 by 24. If you cancel it, 1 by 22 you will get. So finally 3 divided by 1 by 20 plus 1 by 22. So finally 3 divided by 22 plus 20 divided by 20 into 22. So finally what you will get, V average is equal to 3 into 20 into 22 divided by 42. And finally average speed is equal to 220 divided by 7, that is equal to 31.43 kilometer per hour. So this is the way to solve the problem. So if you don't understand, I think you understood. ಏನೈತಿ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಾರ್ದು ಹಂಗೇನೈತಿ. So it is very easy and you are very sharp and talented students, then don't worry. Now one more problem solve ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. So let's see one more problem, this type of problem only. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರಾಮದಿರಿ? I hope this is a one-way communication. I cannot communicate with you, sorry, and I can communicate with you, but you cannot talk. It is not like our general class. So that was, if that was the situation, R type situation idre bhari maja bartidu. But whatever, due to coronavirus, we have to talk online. Nanu online matadbeka, ನೀವು online ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾ. So this is the very big problem agiti. So be safe. Coronavirus is going ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇರ್ರಿ, ಓದ್ರಿ ಬರೋಬರಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇದು ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಂದರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ವೆಲ್, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್, at that time you should be ready, and let's see that time what will happen. So when they will start the colleges. So the second problem, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim, I think you know. You can call me Ibrahim sir, okay? A car covers half of the total distance with a speed of, a car covers half of the total distance with a speed of 36 km per hour. 36 km per hour. Okay, you can write like this. And the second half with a speed of 54 km per hour, and second half with a speed of 44 km per hour. 54 km per hour. Find the average speed of the car. 54, it is 54 km per hour. Find the average speed of the car. Average speed of the car. So this is the question. A car covers half of the total distance with a speed of 36 km per hour and half of the total distance with a speed of 54 km per hour. Then we have to calculate the average speed. Okay, so distance just anta kottilla. So he is telling a car is, suppose the car is going from A to B, same situation will take. Adragindu arda distance, half of the total distance. Total ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? A to B ಐತಿ. ಇದರದು ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಂ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರ್ಧ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರದು ಅರ್ಧ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಸ್. ನಾವು ಅದರದು ಅರ್ಧ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ 36 km per hour, ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ S/2. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೊಡೆಯಾಗತ್ತಾನವ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ 36 km per hour ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಧ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ 36 km per hour. ಮತ್ತು ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇನು ಅಗೈನ್ S/2 ಅಗೇನ್ ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಅರ್ಧ 54 km per hour. 54 km per hour. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ अर्धा distance with 36 km per hour and again अर्धा distance with 54 km per hour. Then we have to calculate the average speed. So just no problem. S1 ಏನು S/2. S1 is equal to S/2. With speed ಏನು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನು S1ಗೆ V1, that is 36 km per hour. Done. Over. S2 ಎಷ್ಟು again S/2. S2 is again S/2 with ಏನು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನು V2 V2 54 kilometer per hour. Done. Over. Finish. Now see, S1 is equal to S by 2, S2 is equal to S by 2, so therefore S1 is equal to S2. S1 is equal to S2. S1 S2 equal na? S1 S2 equal. Now S1 S2 equal, S1 is equal to S2 idre. What is the formula for average speed? Average speed formula ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? What is the formula? Tell me. 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. So formula for the average speed, if S1 is equal to S2, then what is the formula? 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Now just substitute it, everything. As V1 is 2, what is V1? 36 into 54 divided by V1 plus V2, that is 36 plus 54. So finally 54 plus 36 50 plus 30 is 80, 90. So finally the 50 plus 34 is 90 divided by 2 into 36 into 54. So finally 3 3s are 9, 0, again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 10s are 30, 3 4s are 12. Okay, again 54. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, again 2 7s are 24. Okay, so finally the answer will be, what is the answer? 41.2 kilometer per hour. So finally the answer is 41.2 kilometer per hour. So this is the answer and this is the way to solve the problem. I hope you understood. So ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಏನಂದರೆ, suppose body is traveling a distance S1 with speed V1 and S2 with speed V2, then just directly write the formula, that is average speed is equal to S1 plus S2 divided by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. Okay, this is one formula. One more, if S1 is equal to S2, in the same situation S1 is equal to S2 and body is traveling with a distance is with a speed V1 and V2, then at that time what is the average speed formula? 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. So these are the two formulas. Okay, remember it, these are very helpful. One way teaching. I hope you like this. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್, ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್. ವೈ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್? ಬರೀ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನು ಮಜಾ ಬರುತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ? ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕದು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟಾಕ್ನ. ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಜಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮ ಕುಂತರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಜಾ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, to see that my students are reading and they are understanding, just comment it. ಏನು ಚಲೋ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇಜಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್. ಬಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಎಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಹೋಗತ್ತೈತಿ, ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇರ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಇರ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಇರ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಓದ್ರಿ, read properly, work hard, and don't lose hopes. Okay, one day definitely we are going to face each other, we are going to talk each other. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಜಾ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಚಲೋ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಬೇಜಾರು ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಮಗೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್, ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಸೂನ್.